In this video, I will be sharing with you 5 things you need to fight if you must stop failing. In this channel, I will teach you how to come into the awareness of your life purpose, how to stay productive, and how to become profitable. If this seems like something you really want to keep enjoying and you want to keep getting the value that we've got to offer here, please do well to like this video, do well to subscribe to this channel, and also drop your comment. Now, what are the 5 things you need to do in order to stop failing? Number one, you need to fight the enemy of self doubt. You need to stop doubting yourself. You need to stop doubting your ability. You need to stop doubting the fact that you can get things done and become really excellent at it. If, for example, you're a student and all the time when you come into awareness of the circles of the classroom, you keep seeing yourself like, oh, you're not good enough. You don't want to ask questions. You don't want to speak up. You will just keep finding out that you will not be able to come into full awareness of yourself. If, for example, you're in a career field, you're in a work area, you must begin to stop doubting yourself, put yourself in front, get things done, and you begin to build a lot of awareness. Begin to build a lot of strength, and you get better at the things that you do. Number two enemy that you need to begin to fight if you want to stop failing is ignorance. Is ignorance. You must understand that the ability to fight ignorance will only come by your competence to build relevant knowledge and be willing to learn. The more questions you ask, the better you get, and the more you get to know. So, number two, you need to fight ignorance. Never assume that you know anything, but willing to know more beyond what you know. Whenever you can do well to build knowledge and to be willing to know and not be ignorant about things, you will begin to succeed in everything that you do. Number three, enemy you need to fight to stop failing is mediocrity. Is mediocrity. Mediocrity is a system that makes you become satisfied with being average. Now, if you really want to stop failing, you must always strive for excellence and not be willing to do things at a mediocre level. Now, whenever you're given a task to do, be willing to put your extreme effort to bring in the best out of it. Be willing to work, be willing to study, be willing to learn until you have gotten the best out of a particular subject, out of a particular course, or out of a particular task you're given to do. If, for example, you're given an assignment, take out time to sit down and learn and get the best out of it. That's the way to get really better, and that's the way to stop failing. Number four enemy you need to fight is procrastination. Now, I define procrastination as putting to a later time the things you need to do right now for a later time. All right. Now, putting to a later times the right things you need to do right now. Now, when you find yourself always trying to put tasks to another time, to a later time, and not being able to put your extreme effort to get it done right now, you will begin to find out that you will keep failing over and over again. If you find out the habit of, oh, when you're given an assignment to do, you don't get it done. When you're told to be around, you say, oh, you'll do it a later time. When you have a group project, a group work to do, you always put it to a later time. I advise that you begin to kill that system of procrastination. All right, so you might check the link in the description section. I have a free ebook that helps you overcome procrastination. It's titled Overcoming Procrastination. I have a 4-step system that can help you overcome procrastination. So you must kill the enemy called procrastination. And finally, number five, the enemy you need to fight is excuses. Okay, you must ensure that you stop giving excuses for not getting these things done. You stop giving excuses for every outcomes in your life. For example, you check out your result as a student and you find out that, oh, you're not doing so well. Don't give excuse that, oh, it's the lecturer, it's the school, it's the system. Always look for a way out to get the best out of every situation. Never give excuses for not making money. Never give excuses for not getting the best. Never give excuses for not having the best life. Never give excuses for whatsoever you do not get done. Instead, rise up and look for solution. All right. If you really want to succeed and you want to stop failing, you must fight these 5 enemies. Number one, self-doubt. Number two, procrastination. Number three, ignorance. Number four, you must stop mediocrity. And number five, excuses. If you can do well to fight these five enemies, then you will stop failing and you begin to succeed continually. If you got value from this video, please do well to subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification channel, like this channel, and drop the comment on the part that really struck you. Till I come your way again, you can check out other videos in this particular channel and begin to build yourself on the journey of purpose, on the journey of productivity, on the journey of profitability as you succeed massively. Cheers.